Are you tired of staring at plain, boring walls that make your home look dull and lifeless? What if I told you that you could completely transform your space, make it look modern, stylish, and luxurious, without spending a fortune or hiring a big team of professionals? Welcome to the Wall Panels Installation Guide for 2025, where we'll show you how to give your walls a designer makeover that's not only easy to do but also super trendy this year. Wall panels have become one of the biggest interior design trends of 2025, and for good reason. They don't just decorate your walls, they add depth, texture, and personality to your home. Whether you want a cozy bedroom, a bold living room, or a sleek office, wall panels can instantly change the entire vibe. And here's the best part: you don't need to be an expert or spend huge amounts of money to install them. With just a few tools, a little time, and the right guidance, you can create stunning feature walls that look like they came straight out of a luxury showroom. In this video, we'll walk you through everything, from choosing the right panels and preparing your walls to the actual step-by-step installation process and finishing touches. By the end, you'll have all the knowledge and confidence you need to start your own wall panel project and impress everyone who walks into your home. So, grab your tools and let's get started on your wall panels installation guide for 2025, where simplicity meets style and every wall tells a story. Why wall panels are trending in 2025. Wall panels are having a massive moment in 2025, and it's easy to see why. Homeowners and designers everywhere are moving away from flat, plain paint and looking for something that adds dimension, character, and sophistication to walls. Today's panels aren't just functional, they're modern art for your home. With new designs, materials, and colors, panels can completely redefine how your room looks and feels. One of the biggest reasons behind their popularity is versatility. Wall panels fit perfectly in any space: bedrooms, living rooms, offices, and even hallways. They work for every style too, from luxurious marble or wood finishes to sleek minimalist slats or bold geometric 3D textures. Plus, they offer more than just style. Wall panels can hide imperfections, protect your walls, and even reduce noise. And with the 2025 trend focusing on sustainable design, many modern panels are now made from eco-friendly PVC, MDF, and recycled wood, making them a responsible and stylish choice. Simply put, wall panels are the easiest way to bring a designer look into your home, without needing a complete renovation. Types of wall panels to consider. Before you grab your tools, let's explore the most popular types of wall panels you can choose from in 2025. Each one has its own unique look and purpose, so pick the one that fits your style and budget best. PVC wall panels. These are lightweight, waterproof, and super easy to install. Perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, and areas where you want durability with a smooth finish. They also come in endless colors and textures, from marble to wood grain. MDF panels, medium density fiberboard, great for creating 3D designs, fluted patterns, or elegant molding walls. These panels give your home a luxurious touch and can be easily painted any color you like. Wooden panels, classic and timeless. Wood adds warmth and natural texture to your interiors. You can use real wood slats or engineered options for a more budget-friendly version. Fabric or upholstered panels, ideal for bedrooms or living areas where you want a soft, cozy vibe. They also help reduce echo and make your room sound more peaceful. 3D textured panels, perfect if you want a statement wall. These panels create dramatic effects with patterns, shadows, and light reflections, amazing for modern homes or creative offices. The beauty of wall panels is that you can mix and match styles to suit your space. Want a bold feature wall behind your TV or bed? Go with 3D panels. Want something simple and elegant? Try vertical fluted MDF or PVC panels. Tools and materials you'll need. Now that you've chosen your style, let's gather the tools and materials needed to start your installation. The good news is, you don't need a full workshop or expensive equipment. Here's your simple checklist. Basic tools. Measuring tape, to get accurate wall and panel dimensions. Pencil and level, for marking straight lines. Utility knife or cutting tool, to trim panels to size. Drill or screwdriver, for secure installation. Adhesive or construction glue, if you're doing a glue-on method. Materials: your chosen wall panels, PVC, MDF, wood, etc. Adhesive or nails/screws, depending on the surface. Primer or wall cleaner. Finishing trims or moldings, optional for a clean border look. Before you begin, make sure your wall is smooth, clean, and dry. Dust, moisture, or cracks can affect how well your panels stick or stay in place. Once you've got everything ready, you're all set for the most exciting part, the installation process. Step-by-step installation process. Now comes the fun part, installing your wall panels. Don't worry, this process is easier than it looks. Whether you're using PVC, MDF, or wood panels, the basic method stays pretty similar. Let's go step by step. Step 1: Measure and mark. Start by measuring your wall and marking where each panel will go. Use a level to make sure your lines are perfectly straight. This helps you plan the layout and avoid uneven placement later. Step 2: Prepare the wall. Clean your wall thoroughly. If there are bumps or dust, remove them so the panels stick properly. You can also apply a primer if your wall surface is uneven or porous. Step 3: Cut the panels. Next, trim your panels to the correct size using a utility knife or cutting tool. Always double-check your measurements before cutting. It's better to cut once perfectly than fix mistakes later. Step 4: Apply adhesive or fixings. If you're doing a glue installation, apply adhesive evenly on the back of each panel. For screw or nail fixing, drill pilot holes first to avoid cracks. Step 5: Mount the panels. Carefully place your first panel against the wall and press firmly. Make sure it's straight, then move on to the next panel. Most panels have interlocking edges. Click or slide them together for a seamless finish. Step 6: Finishing touches. Once all panels are installed, wipe off any extra glue and attach trims or corner moldings for a polished, professional look. And just like that, your wall is transformed. In only a few hours, you can go from plain and dull to stylish and modern. Common mistakes to avoid. Even though wall paneling is simple, there are a few mistakes many people make, so here's how to avoid them. Skipping the wall prep. Dust or moisture will weaken the adhesive, causing panels to fall later. Wrong measurements. Always measure twice before cutting or gluing. A small miscalculation can ruin your entire layout. Using the wrong adhesive. Different materials need specific glues. Always check what's recommended for your panel type. No gap for expansion. Especially for PVC or MDF panels, leave a small gap near corners or ceilings to allow natural expansion due to temperature. Avoiding these simple mistakes will make your installation last longer and look more professional. Design and finishing ideas. Now that your wall is up, let's make it look stunning. Wall panels are not just functional, they're an opportunity to express your creativity. Try these design ideas. Accent wall magic. Highlight one wall, like behind your TV, bed, or dining table, for a bold statement. Two-tone look. Combine two colors or textures, like dark wood and beige, to add depth. Hidden lighting. Add LED strip lights between or behind panels to create a soft, glowing effect. Vertical versus horizontal. Vertical panels make your ceilings look taller, while horizontal ones make your space feel wider. Mixed materials. Combine fabric panels with wood or metal for a luxury boutique-style look. It's your wall. Make it stand out. Maintenance and care. Once your panels are installed, keeping them clean and fresh is easy. Dust regularly with a soft cloth or vacuum brush. For PVC panels, use a damp cloth with mild soap to wipe away stains. Avoid harsh chemicals, especially on MDF or wood surfaces. They can damage the finish. Check for loose edges every few months, and reapply adhesive if needed. With proper care, your wall panels can stay beautiful and durable for years, making them one of the best long-term design upgrades for your home. Final tips and expert insights. Before we wrap up, here are a few pro tips that can make your wall panel installation truly stand out. Always start from a visible corner or center wall. That's where people's eyes naturally go first. This ensures your best alignment shows up in the most noticeable area. Check lighting before final fixing. The way light hits your panels can highlight textures or reveal small gaps. Adjust before the adhesive sets. Use color contrast wisely. Dark panels look amazing in bright rooms, while light panels help smaller rooms feel open and airy. Add trims or skirting for that perfect, polished finish. It instantly gives a high-end, designer feel. Go slow and steady. The more careful you are during installation, the more professional the final result will look. Remember, wall panels aren't just a quick DIY. They're an investment in your home's style and comfort. And there you have it, your complete wall panels installation guide for 2025. Now you know exactly how to choose the right panels, install them step by step, and give your home that luxurious, modern makeover it deserves. Whether you're aiming for a cozy bedroom, a statement living wall, or a sleek office look, wall panels are the easiest way to add personality and value to any space. So, what are you waiting for? Pick your favorite panel style and start transforming your walls today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who loves interior design and DIY makeovers. And for premium quality wall panels, installation tools, and expert advice, visit fixitdesign.ae, your trusted partner for home improvement in 2025. Because great design doesn't just happen, you create it, one wall at a time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next design guide.